In this video, I will show you how we can use a switch to turn an LED on or off on a breadboard. So something like this. Now that the GUI is ready, make sure that each of your elements has a name. So in this case, switch is called switch LED. And the label, because we're going to update it, we should give it a name as well. First you save it and build the project. This will generate all the C files that we will need to copy over to the Arduino sketch. So we go to the EEZ project source UI, copy all the generated C files, paste it into the Arduino sketch with the same name. Now if we go to the sketch, you can see the GUI and the screens.c file. What we will need to do in the sketch is we will need to define the pin that we will use. In this case it's the pin number 27, which is which I will show you in the video later. And then we'll have to set the pin output, pin mode as pin output, and then we register an event handler. So once someone clicks on the switch, on the state changes, this event handler will handle the change, and this is the event that will get fired. In the switch event handler, what we will have to do is slightly different from the button one. Is we'll have to check the state of the switch, because the switch can be either on or off, so true or false. So we use this method to get the current state of the switch. If it's checked, then we will set the pin high, so the LED turns on, and if it's not checked, then we will set the pin low and turn the LED off. And now I will show you the wiring of the LED. To turn on the LED on and off using LVGL, cheap yellow display board, we will need to use the extended input outputs. There's this CN1 and there's P3. They each have like 4 pins. We're going to use this one, CN1. There's a pin. The second pin is pin 27. That's the one we use in our code. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to use the wire that comes with the cheap yellow display. Plug this one in, and we will the wires we will use is the yellow one and the black one. The yellow one is pin 27 and the black one is GND. Now I'll set up my LED, put it in the board, use the resistor, put down the long leg, that's this one, and then for the yellow one I got a yellow wire, so we'll use this one here, and the ground wire will go here. We'll connect the yellow wire to the pin 27, and then the G and D to the black wire. That's it, we're ready now. So remember, we used the CN1 extended input output. Connect the cable that came with its cheap yellow display. Just a basic setup of LED and a resistor. Now I will show you how to build a GUI. First, add a switch. Give it a name. Set the size to 200 by 100. Centralize it. Set the background color. Also set the border. So click main, default border. Set the color. Set the width. Now we have a switch. The indicator we want to change, show when it's checked, so we click indicator checked, color, we want to change the knob color, so just knob default, background color, set to something you like. So it's ready. Now add a label to show the status of the switch. By default is off. Now we'll set some of the properties for the label. Text, color to white or probably yellow. Font size, increase it to 40. Also letter spacing 10. And align center. And now we have our GUI ready.